Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about some updates, a new machine that's dropped for mining, a new app for you guys that want to dollar cost average and save. You guys are in Australia, and just the latest news. So let's get into it. Intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to hit that bell notification and that subscribe button, and you get notified as soon as I upload my videos. Because in February I've got a competition, and basically all you need to do is share, like, comment, do all that good stuff on YouTube, and you'll get points. The higher you'll move up in the ladder, and there will be a bunch of prizes for the top people. So simple as that. Anyone can win. I'll have some money up for grabs, and that's coming in February in a couple of days. So hit that bell notification so then you'll get notified. You don't miss my videos when I announce it. Let's just get into the news now. Obviously, I'm not going to talk about too much about what's happened. It's all over the internet with what happened with Robinhood and GameStop and Wall Street bets. All right, so I think this will be a precedence of what's going to come, and it's going to be more decentralized exchanges are going to be more appealing. So this sort of fiasco doesn't happen again. Over the past few days, a number of stocks such as GameStop, GME, and AMC Entertainment have risen dramatically in price, reportedly in line with attention for Reddit users buying the face of selling pressure from big players. Popular trading platform Robinhood subsequently began restricting customers' ability to buy multiple assets associated with the drama. When asked about his thoughts about Robinhood suspending GameStop purchases, Richard Byworth, CEO of QS, noted that the importance of freedom in the markets. Yeah, that's really important. I think that if you want to call it, freedoms were violated here, not being able to buy a stock when it's painfully obvious that they were doing that purposely because they had partners that were invested into shorting it. So I really hope regulation cracks down on Robinhood. I hope that people that were affected by this just boycott Robinhood, and I hope there's reform in the space, and I hope people just get fed up of it and just move to a decentralized exchange where no one controls it. Okay, we're going to talk about one of my favorite coins, Celsius. Okay, I love this project. The price has dropped a little bit, okay, but that's not reflective of what's happening. Just because the price drops doesn't mean that there's bad things happening. There's a lot of things happening in the background. It's just had a bit of a pullback, but of course, if you're in Celsius or you haven't heard of Celsius, watch. I've made several videos on this already. So this is one of my best picks for 2021. I can see this going to about $60 this year, so at least another 10x. So we've got a major listing in February. Okay, they already announced it, but they haven't actually told us which exchange, obviously. Okay, so. But they've told us that it's going to come in February, so I'm expecting a massive pump. Now, they said it was a major exchange, and I talked about the major exchange. They haven't announced it, but these are the exchanges you can currently buy with Celsius. And I'm looking down the list, and there's only two major exchanges that aren't on there. And the first one is Coinbase, and the second one is Binance. So if I was to guess, it'll be either one of those two. And if it does go on either one of those two, it's going to pump like crazy. So I'm expecting a huge pump in February for Celsius. It could go up to $7, $8, even $10. So we'll see if that happens. The web app is coming in March, which is the online smartphone version, but it's all online. And it's very slick. They did an AMA on this already. That is very nice. You can just search on YouTube and find the web app AMA. They're also having the swap feature coming in March. They said March, so I'm just saying, sticking with what they said. And the swap is basically allows you to swap between coins. And Celsius pay the fees anyway, so That'll be a really good feature. You can just send Bitcoin, swap Ethereum within the app, and then buy more Celsius or do what you want to do. Currently, you can't do that. Okay, there's 363,000 members and 6 billion assets under management. There's 125,000 active investors. Okay, so this is still growing and growing and growing every week. And also the fee-free card is coming. So they're gonna have a crypto debit card, which is fee-free. Okay, they're gonna pay the fees on it. So there's a lot happening with Celsius around in the background. It's just that just because the prices drop, it's not reflective of what it is. So it's an opportunity for you guys if you want to get into Celsius to obviously do some more research and get into it now, because it has dropped by about 10-15%. So it's a good time to get into it. If you want to join, you can get $20 worth of free Bitcoin. You just need to transfer $200 worth of assets over to the app, and you'll get $20 worth of BTC after 30 days. I just wanted to talk a little bit about Ethereum, because everyone's like praising Ethereum and saying that it's going to be, who knows what they're saying, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. Some people even saying 60,000. My thoughts on Ethereum, I just think that Ethereum is one of those ones that I continue to invest in simply because it's just built. It is first to market and it's just massive. It's too big to fail. But on the flip side of that, if you use Ethereum on a daily basis, you'll know. Like Ethereum itself is just broke. With 15 transactions per second, it's a joke. And you're going to be paying anywhere from, say, $15 to $20 a transaction if you are using Ethereum. And more applications are still building on Ethereum. To me, I think that's just absurd. Obviously, with Polkadot, that's fixing some of these problems. But that's come out of necessity, really. Polkadot, the rise of Polkadot is because of the inadequacies of Ethereum. But also, with that said, I think that there's a big opportunity for Binance Smart Chain. Binance has poured a lot of money into these projects, some $10 million into these startups and these launchpad innovation projects. And there's a lot of good coins emerging in Binance, and there's opportunities here because they're only very new. They're trying to build this ecosystem out, but it's growing. Okay, so let's just talk a little bit about ones that you could possibly get into that could potentially sort of 3 to 4 to 5x, even 10x in 2021. So looking at this list, it's a big list. Like I said, there's 100 projects getting built here. This is really gaining momentum. I would have a look at Hedgeit. All right, Hedgeit. It seems to be a really good platform with derivatives. Also, Injection Protocol. That's also another good project. Okay, we got into Unify Protocol DAO. That's also been a good project with great returns. I think PancakeSwap is also a great project, and you can stake the cake token and earn more cake. So those I do like. Also, other ones I like are the wallets is SafePower wallet that has got Binance Chain integrated into it. Cream Finance, okay, Cream Finance, that's mooned in the last 30 days. It's gone up massively. So Cream Finance is also another one. Also another one is Rune. Okay, it's not on this list, but Rune is also mooned. That's also a really good project you can get into on the Binance Chain. So there's a bunch of them out there. It's a long list, but you can go through this list yourself, do some more research. And I think there's some really good gains just by holding these tokens in the next 6 to 12 months. Okay, so this one's for you Aussies out there, Bamboo. It's at getbamboo.io. And this is basically an app that allows you to just save money.
Bamboo is an app that anyone can download and easily start purchasing cryptocurrencies with just a mobile phone and a bank account. Young people have a lot of problems saving money, and what our platform does is automates that saving process by just monitoring their transactions, and at the end of the year they might have $500 or $1,000 saved up just from all the spare change that they've spent throughout the year.
You set up your app to automatically withdraw money out of your bank account into the app, and then it's sort of like a dollar cost averaging type of thing. It's there to help you save, and it also allows you to buy crypto as well. So here you can say, like, you can split your portfolio, so it'll automatically debit out of your bank, and then it'll go like Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, and you can just split the difference by using this little cool sort of graph kind of thing. It's pretty cool how it works, and it's got here instant top-ups. It's got this automated rebalancing. It's a really cool app for buying crypto basically. So I think it's a pretty cool project. Check it out. If you want a referral code, you can get $10 for free if you make your first deposit, and the first deposit is $50. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Unfortunately, it's only good for Australians at this point in time. Okay, for you miners out there, there is a new miner that's coming out. It's called Linzhi Phoenix, and this thing is an absolute beast. It mines 2,600 megahash per second. Power is 3,000 watts. So currently it's saying it's got $230 per day on the Equihash. So this mines Ethereum. This is the actual video of the miner. So it is by a small Chinese firm that only has a small team. I think it's less than 10, and they created this miner. It's purple. It's called Linzhi Phoenix miner. But this thing is a beast. It's currently $200 a day if you buy it. They're going to be releasing this thing in limited quantities, so it's not like everyone can get their hands on it. And just be aware of there's a bunch of sites already out there that are claiming that they'll sell you this thing for really, really cheap, like $4,000 to $5,000. Don't believe them. It's a scam. This thing is selling for at least $12,000 or $13,000 to $14,000 USD. Okay, you're making $200 a day, so you quickly get that investment back. So just be careful. Don't get suckered into these sites that say you can get it cheap from them. Yeah, but again, it's an ASIC, so it's it's a race. The sooner you get it, the sooner you start mining, the faster you get your ROI back. But it's for you guys that are into mining. This is going to be the latest. This is the latest and greatest, basically, Ethereum miner on the planet. So check it out. I'll put the links for this below, as well as this video by F2 Pool, and also this link here, miner stats. You can check more about it. And also there's a inner silicon A11 which is coming out, which is 2100 megahash per second, which is going to supersede the A10. So again, this thing would be like, it's doing $178 a day. So this is going to be at least, well, the A10 Pro at the 6 and 7 gig versions around about 12,000 as well. So this inner silicon A11 would be about the same price. The difference is it's making like $180 a day, whereas the A10 is only making about $60 a day. Again, be careful of this stuff. Do your own research if you're into mining. Alright guys, so that's all I got for you today. If you have any coins or any other projects that you want me to review, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget next month as well, I've got that competition coming where you can win some money. Very, very easy to do, so hopefully you better win some free money. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing. but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50 plus HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.